Perfect. 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 Perfect.
All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Man, I am very orange today. I need to adjust that. Hello, my name is Joe, and welcome back to Trading Tuition. If I'm a little goofy today, that's because I have had zero sleep. Zero sleep. So see if I do this, I turn blue. What's better? That one or that one? I look way too blue. If I mess with this, it changes. I'm really orange. All right. Good stuff, guys. Yes, I'm a little kooky today. Let's see, is this? Nope. Man, I was running around like crazy. All right, so here is some stuff. There we go. We got Tom in the house. What's up, Tom? All right, so yesterday, so first let's do the elephant in the room. Let's go with the what's going on with the Discord. All right, so I've been having a lot of issues, guys. A lot of issues with um, just the Discord itself. The group of people that I was helping out, great group of people, but they like the Discord, and to me, it's like it reminds me of 1996, with the internet and the forums and everything else. But I tried though. I tried. I think for like a month. I just couldn't do it, guys. I just couldn't do it. So more than likely, we're gonna be transitioning back to Telegram, and I'm like 99% positive. The only reason I'm 99% positive because that's what I was staying up all night to do. I was, I tried. I was watching videos, hours and hours. Like I said, I haven't been asleep. It is now 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Not sure what time it is your time, but it is always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. My name is Joe. This is Trading Tuition, giving you some backstory on what's going on with the Discord. I appreciate all the hearts. Oh man, I see all the hearts. Good Lord. I love it, guys. I love it. So with the whole Discord thing, like I really tried. I really tried so hard. And then yesterday it's like, you know what? Let me just watch more videos and just see if I can do it. And I was just watching videos and after videos, and different settings that they have, and just it's very customizable. I'll give it that. It's very customizable. It just, I don't know, maybe it's my old brain. I don't know. And then so I did that till like, I don't know, forever. And then I was like, all right, well, let me go ahead and create rooms for Telegram. Now, of course, they're going to be coming on to the Telegram portion. Like I said, I'm helping them out. So that's what that's about. I just couldn't do it. Man, I tried so hard. It's really hard teaching an old dog new tricks, but I tried though. But everybody who, of course, is lifetime members you don't need to worry about that. Everybody who's paying on the monthly fees as far as the VIPs go, more than likely that will be a transition as well. But they'll let me know, and then I'll let y'all know. So that's how that's going to go. There's probably be like another week or so, and I do want to apologize. I want to apologize to you guys right now because what should have happened was I should have informed you and given you at least a few days, if not a week, to just kind of know that, what was going to happen as far as more than likely transitioning back to Telegram. So that is on me. That was very, very bad business, in my opinion. That all of a sudden, you start seeing stuff disappearing from the Discord. But that's on me, and I do apologize. But just to let you know, though, guys, um, you know, I should have given you at least a few days warning, and I do apologize for that. But hopefully, that's water under the bridge. Moving forward, I will be more professional. I will be more. Everybody tells me too, Joe, be more professional. This one was just like, I can't do it, guys. I can't do it. I can't do it. As far as the whole Discord goes. So hopefully y'all understand. But that was very, very unprofessional of me. Just saying, okay, let's just put the Discord, the trading group right here, and then I tried so hard just to go, and I just couldn't do it. Couldn't do it, guys. Couldn't do it. Let's see here, but I do thank you guys for understanding. Again, moving forward, the professionalism will be times 1,000, guys. And make sure y'all can hear me. There's been times where I've been rambling before, and they're like, Joe, you're muted. You're muted. I went 15 minutes one time. 15 minutes. Good Lord. All right. So let's see what we got here. We say, good evening, Joe. Good evening. Good evening. And like I said, if I'm a little kooky today, that's just because, well, zero sleep. On top of very little sleep the past few days, because I've been looking at charts, doing a lot of research. My goal is to make you money. And I was supposed to go to sleep last night. I remember that. I was supposed to go to sleep last night, and I think I was going to try at 8. Well, I ended up staying up all night. Just because I was really trying really hard to get the Discord, get my brain wrapped around it, and, well, I fell short. And see, with me, though, I would tell you my wins, I would tell you my losses. And I took an L. I took an L on Discord. I really did. But moving on. See, Tom says, hey, Joe, it's good to see you. No, it's good to see you. And I didn't point at you. I pointed to the guy behind you. So just let you know. Oh, man. And okay. So story time. I'm kooky today. So story time, guys. Hopefully y'all are okay with that. We'll get to your charts, all that fun stuff. We'll do rapid fire. We'll go over Bitcoin. But just to let you know, this is how much I love you guys. This is how much I love you guys. For those of you who know me, one of my biggest, well, there's two big pet peeves. One is somebody who always goes, and look at this, and then look at this, and then, that's a huge, big pet peeve of mine. Now, one that's right there with it, so it's like at 1,000,000, that one. One that's right there with it is the click, the type. Oh, I hate that. I mean, maybe it's just because I'm old now, and now it's like, I let you know what bothers me. Well, that's one thing that bothers me. And I watched so many Discord videos last night for you guys. For you guys. I watched so many Discord videos. Then they're like, today we're going to show you how to click. And it was like, it wasn't them typing. It was on purpose. They literally put that sound effect on the video. It's like, why would you do that? Why would you? Because you know how it has a type, the words typing out. there was an actual audio clip of it, click, 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 and um, looking back at it now, I should have turned down the volume. Oh my gosh, looking back at it now, I should have turned down the volume. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. Let's put on this automatic. Okay, good. But yeah, looking back at it now, it's like, why didn't you just turn it down? Why are you getting so frustrated? Why are you taking all these notes? Because I care about you guys. I want you to succeed. And I just feel bad, especially the very short abruptness of the just changing everything. It's on me, guys. It's on me. All right. We got Dave P in the house. Dave P, man, you are everywhere. You're on Miss Teen Crypto, but her name, I don't know how to pronounce her name. Hype. I don't know how to pronounce it. So I would just call her Miss Teen Crypto. Of course, we got Always Learning. See, I like Discord, but it's just growing pains, brother. Yeah, I know, man. And I tried, man, dude, I tried so hard. And I was getting so much help and everything. And, the group of guys, I mean, they're great. They're so great. They're like, Joe, you do it like this. And Joe, that's where this is at. And Joe, and this, it's like, and how do I do this? And man, like just nonstop helping me. And I felt very helpless because I was always asking, like, so what does this mean? Like, how do I do this? How do I tag people? I was like, it's this. Okay. But I don't know. In the future, we might go back over there, but I just like Telegram so much. It's just so easy. You have rooms and everything. Not only that, but I'm going to be making videos on how to just make it look so much better for you on Telegram. I actually have older videos, but I'm gonna make brand new videos, show you how to enter these new rooms, show you how to create folders so that you can easily see when a post is being made. It's just gonna be great, guys. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna show you how to hide your phone number because a lot of people don't know how to hide their phone number. How to hide your phone number, how to verify that it is me that's messaging you. But I will never message you guys. I will never message you. I will never send you a message first. You always have to send me a message first. Now, whenever you send me a message, don't send it to the scammer because that's how they got you. Send it to me. Like if you see me posting a chart with my name on there, and you can see that that's obviously my chart posted, click on it. Or because what I'll do is I won't give you a DM. I will post it in group, and then in group you can click on my name, and then you can message me there like that, and then I'll message you back. Hey, what's going on? Hey, I need some help with this. Okay, I got you. So just let you know, scammers are everywhere. They're in Discord. They're on WhatsApp. They're on emails. They're on TradingView, Telegram. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. They just want to steal your money. Me, I want to make you money. So let's do it, guys. Let's get back into the show. Well, we got 3 more minutes till the show ends. All right, guys. Well, that's been great. It's been fun. I'll play. All right. Let's see here. Good Lord, that's too tiny. Let's see here. Always Learning says, I appreciate you so much. I don't even consider it unprofessional. Thank you, man. Like, that means a lot to me. It really does. Like, all night last night, when I was going through those hours and hours of videos, I was like, man, like, I did my people wrong. Like, I really did. And just because it was very short, abrupt, and it's like, boom, gone. And I was getting so many DMs, too. And that gave me more fuel to listen to that click, 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 click. I was like, man, I got to do this. And I tried so hard. And but no, that's on me, man. That's on me. Adjustments are always needed. And can y'all read that? Y'all probably can. Let's see. I was needed. And yes, you're supposed to go to sleep last night. I was, and I stayed up all night. Good Lord. And I don't do any of the Ronald Reagan type stuff. Say no, just say no. For those of you who are older, yeah. Remember Ronald Reagan? Yeah, that guy, the cowboy. In all those movies, that guy. See here. Let's see. No, the clicking from the keyboard drives me crazy. I hate it. Story time. I'm kooky today. Story time. When before I used to know about these settings on OBS where like it doesn't pick up the background noise and nothing like that. What I would do back in the day, back in 2020, 2021, that I would hear it back on because I would watch my videos again, see how I can improve, and I would hear, and that's when I was always saying, so, and I would say that so many times. So because I was rewatching myself, I was like, man, I said it like 13 times in 2 minutes. So now the trick, and I've mentioned this before, slow down. Let your brain catch up to your mouth, or vice versa. Slow it down. And that's why I talk so calm, cool, collective, almost put people to sleep, because that's how slow my brain works. I gotta make it come down here and then finally, give you the information. But there are times where I'll say and so, and I'll catch myself too. And I'll say, man, I'm saying a lot. Because I'm very aware of that now. With that being said, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yes. Back in 2021. That clicking sound, I would hear it from my mouse. Because I'm going on the doing the chart and click, 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 click. So what I started doing was I would actually get a towel and cover my hand, because at this time either there were no filters or I didn't know about the filters. I would get a towel, I'd have it folded up, right, and I put it on top of my hand, and that way when it's clicking, you couldn't even hear it. Like my ears could barely hear it, let alone the microphone. And so I'm just click, 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 and nobody knew the difference. So that was my first thing that I did. All right. Dave P says, much love, Joe. Much love. Ian says, hello. What's going on, man? This guy right here, he helps me out a bunch. Oh, so if anybody knows how to do WordPress, hit me up. If anybody knows how to do WordPress, hit me up. Because I've always wanted to do WordPress. Wanted to learn it for a long time already. And I need to know. All right. So evening. We got Luke in the house. Thoughts on sand. I love it, man. Right out the gate. Give them to me. Give me charts. This is your time. See here. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right. So we're gonna do sand right after we do Bitcoin. Now that the half of the show is done. Good Lord. How long? Not too bad. All right. Plan A, Plan B. Plan A, Plan B. This is my Plan A. This is my Plan B. Now, I've had this Plan A since, where's December? Since here. This was my Plan A. From here, December. I show you my wins, I show you my losses, I show you my thought process. Even after the fact that it went up. Unlike all the other YouTubers, unlike all the other mentors, unlike everybody who's trying to sell you something, oh, look, we saw this higher low, or this inverse head and shoulders, and don't you see that? Man, get out of here. You didn't see that when it was doing a rejection, and then another rejection, double top. You didn't see that when it got rejection again, right here. But again, you trade on support, resistance. What happens when it broke this rejection, this resistance level? Well, now this acts as support. So now hopefully it'll maintain support until it doesn't. And then if so, it goes up. But everybody sounds like geniuses. Oh, look at this. No. Like I show you, I break down trading in the most simplistic form. Support will be support until it's broken. Simple, right? Resistance will be resistance until it's broken. Yeah. That's the extent of trading. I was going to say, if I had a mic, I would do a mic drop. But I do have a mic, and it would sound really loud at your place. So I'm not going to do it. But pretend mic drop. Boom. That's what it comes down to. They're not geniuses. I'm not a genius. I just simplified what everybody was making so complicated. That's all it is. Now, as far as, being in the VIP and everything like that, well, I take a lot of the work off of your shoulders. I'm literally constantly searching for charts. And then the alerts go off, but I don't post them then like all the other groups. They're posting 10, 20 charts a day. And then sure enough, when the 3 or 4 that pop, for example, oh, I don't have it here anymore. There was one that popped earlier. I forgot, with WIF. That one popped earlier. We posted that one yesterday. And it went up to like 30 something % from yesterday. But I'm waiting though, guys. See, that's what people don't understand. That's why I don't post so many charts. I'm waiting and waiting. They have to be past a lot of criteria for me to post a chart. And there's times where I don't post for 2-3 days because we're already in a trade, or maybe 2 or 3, because once again, this is very important. In the VIP, there aren't 10, 20 charts being posted every day. And the people who are in VIP, some of them are here, they can testify to that. The last chart I posted was yesterday, and I think I posted 2. One was ready, and one I was just kind of giving them a heads up, because I'm getting a lot of DMs. Joe, like, I need a chart, I need a trade. I said, dude, like, you didn't get any of the other ones? Like, they're doing okay? They're like, no, I didn't get into those. I said, okay. So then I posted a chart or 2, and I have a few people. I mean, they're antsy, because they're used to it. They're used to all these people, all these groups posting 10, 20 charts. But then what happens when you don't pick that one? Then now it's like, man, Joe, what's wrong with me? I want to make sure you're successful, guys. I really do. So I put in the work. I put in the waiting. I don't want you guys to wait. I want you guys to make money. And like I said, the one yesterday, we posted it. It said it was ready. And matter of fact, it started moving, and I didn't even get a chance to post it in the VIP callouts. I posted it in the VIP chat. I said, hey guys, this was moving. I'm going to post it in the VIP callouts in just a moment. And so I gave them a heads up. I said, this one's ready. Like, this one's like super, super ready. It's like hot pocket ready, you know. I'm referring to like the hot potato. Yes, I'm hungry. I haven't had breakfast. It's already 3 o'clock. Regardless, guys, regardless. Focus. So what I'm saying is that it started moving. So I'm trying it really quick, and I posted in the VIP really quick, halfway done. And I even put on note on there, still charting. And then I finish up the chart, and then I put it in there. That way, like, what I do is I do all the waiting. So you don't have to. You know, enjoy your time, enjoy your life, enjoy whatever. You know, let me make the sacrifice for you. So, with that being said, that's one of the huge benefits of the VIP. Not only that, but there are charts that are being posted in the VIP. Joe, can you check to see if I'm doing this right? Yeah, man. And what I do is I love giving a video thought process. So as I'm seeing, as I'm looking at the areas that I'm talking about, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And of course, I have my cursor right there, and I'm showing you, and I'll even draw on your chart. This is what I would do. Oh, this level here. And people are improving their charts, period. Now, when your charts are fire, your trades are fire. You don't believe me? Follow this channel and watch. And you get this information for free. You get it for free. Now, if you don't want to spend hours and hours and hours and hours, for one, listening to my stories, and for 2, getting all the nuggets throughout all these videos, join the VIP. And in that VIP, of course, I have short videos. Some of these videos are 2 minutes long. Some are 4. The average is 4 minutes. I think the longest one I have is like 5.5 minutes. But I have some that are 3 minutes, some that are a minute and a half. And these are all very strategic, to the point videos on a very specific subject. Because I know your time is valuable. And like I said, if you want the VIP, make sure to message me. Let me go ahead. Oh, where's this at? Okay. So give me a moment. So let's go ahead and put this. Well, let me do a screenshot. Okay. So this is my name on Telegram. This is my name on Telegram. It used to be a different name. And for those of you who've been with me for a very long time, you know what that name was. But I went ahead and changed it because I do like this account, and I have a lot of people that follow me on this account. So this is my name right here. I do need to create a thingamabob at trade underscore, very important, underscore intuition. Now, my nose itched. Now, if you do forget the underscore and you message trade intuition, that is not a scammer. That is my other account. I have several accounts. I have several phones. But that was my other account. But don't message me on the other one because I rarely check that one. Rarely. So this is my username on Telegram, at trade_intuition. So just to let you know, this is where you can find me. So message me if you do want to get access to the VIP area, and also if you want to get the lifetime membership. Now, the lifetime membership price is only going to be that price for 24 hours, and it is going up. It is going up. If you're curious about the price, send me a DM at trade_intuition, because the price is going up in 24 hours. If you haven't gotten the lifetime, I strongly recommend you consider doing it, because it's this time right before the stream tomorrow, it's gone. Give you a heads up, and it's increasing by significantly, but it's still very undervalued. Very undervalued. So if you've been thinking about it, been kind of contemplating, do it. Just letting you know. If you want to. If not, you can get all the stuff for free on the videos. It's just gonna take forever. And hopefully next bull run you'll be ready. No, I'm playing. I'm playing. All right. What is Bitcoin doing? Well, Bitcoin already had the halving. Talked so much, Joe. Bitcoin is doing Plan A. Now, can it get support here? Yes, it sure can. This was resistance. Now it's support. So it can do exactly what it did. Look at these wicks, guys. Look at these wicks. Like, just examine this stuff. Let's just do this one. Right here. We got that one. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. Let's see what the chat's saying. Let's see. Let's see here. We got Sam in the house. What's up, Sam? What's up, buddy? Love the interaction, guys. Love the interaction. Yeah, definitely smash the likes, guys. Definitely, man, always learning. I appreciate you, man. I greatly appreciate you. Appreciate everybody who's here. You know, if you find value in the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like. Make sure to share out the channel. Make sure to tweet and retweet and everything. Just show your support. You know, my goal is to get out to the people who really can't afford it. Like, most people in crypto, they can afford it. They got a couple grand. Like, a couple grand is nothing. 10 grand is nothing. 50 grand is nothing. You know, there are a lot of people in crypto. I'm not trying to reach out to those people. I'm trying to reach out to the ones who really can't afford it. And I can only do that with your help. I really can. So definitely, every single post that I do, you know, like it and share it and comment. Oh man, the platforms love the comments. Now, the only bad part is, and I don't know if you want to warn them, is I tell stories. But I want you to know who I am. You know. So that's why. Let's see here. Get some more love in the house. Good stuff. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Love it. Absolutely love it. And we're going to get to your sand in just a moment. Now back to this. We have a bounce. Almost a bounce. We have, it barely came down. Oh, we can actually adjust this now. So we can do it like that. So this is our trend line. So if it breaks this level, right where it's at, if it breaks this level, now it's going to act as resistance. And now what we'll see is maybe resistance, support, support, and losing it. And then we all make money, because now everything will dump 30, 40%, hopefully. And then you have money on the side, and then you go in and you make a lot of money in like a day. You make 20, 30% in a day. Not even trying. You don't even have to know how to trade. Just wait for those double-digit red days. Man, those were my favorite days. But I'll tell you what, I do like sand. Let's get some sand. Whoa. I wasn't supposed to show you that one. So if you are not in the VIP, well, you might want to pause the video and rewind it, because that is a coin. That's a coin in the VIP. It's not ready yet though, so don't enter it right now. It's not ready. All right, moving on. YouTube rapid fire. Sand. I believe we did sand. Yes, we did sand on the 4th. So we did sand on the 4th, and it's doing it. It's doing it, guys. Let's see here. This was something else. Okay. So we did this one on the 4th. And my thought process at this time was, because of this, you know, it came up, came back down, came up, came back down. And then it was right here, it came up. More than likely, we have a much higher percentage that is going to come down. And it did. It actually came down here and then came right back up. So with that being said, the rules still apply. The rules still apply. What you want to do is you want to enter the trade. Once it breaks this level of resistance, the candle body on the 4-hour must close. Write this stuff down, guys. Whenever, I have my books. I have a lot of books, guys. I have a lot of books, trading books, journals. So these are my man journals. Oh, where's my face? Oh man, where'd my face go? I just saw that too. Where'd my face go? Where is it? There it is. There I am. There I am. Man, you haven't been able to see my face in a long time. Let's see here. Check your webcam. Joe, stop talking and look at the chat. Come on, guys. See, I'll be very happy to show you everything interested in where. Dude, Tom, please reach out to me, brother. Reach out to me. Dude. I literally, I don't know. I was working on it for like 4 hours. And then I thought it automatically saved. And then I went to another thing and I came back. It's like, where's all my work? I said, no way. And granted, I'm thinking with, very little sleep. So it's taking me a longer time to think to now this, I can do this like, blinking this charts for me anyway, because I've done thousands and thousands and thousands of hours of doing this. But, yeah, so I go back and it was gone. I was like, no way, no. I said, oh, well, let me start again. So I did about 2 more hours on it. It's coming along, man. It looks sharp. Oh, man, it looks sharp. I've wanted to do this for a long time. I said, you know what? Let me go and do it. But yeah, so I do have. Let me make sure nothing's on here. Okay, so I have my notebook. Then I have my other book, and then I have my old book. Man, this book is about 20 years old. I got my other book here, and then I have another book over here. It's in the drawer. But yeah, I got a lot of books and trading journals. How's the market doing? How's the market looking? Are you in any trades? If so, why? If not, why? And then when the days are slow, go back and look at and these are not diaries. Females have diaries. Men have men journals, or are war logs. So that's what men have. We have war logs. We log our wars. That's what we do. So just give you a heads up. I'm trying to get warriors, building warriors here, guys. And y'all are warriors. And see it. And then if there's females watching, well then y'all are warriorettes, I guess. You don't cheer on the warriors. You are actually warriorettes. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to empower just men, single guys, single females, men, women, kids who, straight out of school, high school, and they want to do this. I show you in the most simplistic form. All right. So sand. Back to sand. Let's see here. We can't see you, Joe. We see your conversation number. Okay. So hopefully you can see it now. Hopefully you can see everything now. Hopefully everything's good. All right. So for sand, same thing. Once it breaks out, and these levels are the same, the candle needs to close on the 4-hour time frame for us to enter. And the price when we saw it was right here. Okay, yeah, definitely. We'll look at Myro, Solana, Rapid Fire. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, reach out to me on Discord. I'm still on Discord, but I'm gonna be transitioning more to the Telegram. I like Telegram. So here's what we're talking about. So this is the thought process. Here's the level we need to break out of. So the first one is always longer than the second one. And that's just so that people who are watching who are brand new, they get a gist of what I do. Candle must close above the 4-hour resistance and 4-hour candle. So this is where we looked at it. So this one, it barely closed. No, this is not good. And plus we have a lot of selling pressure. This one, it closed above it, which is good, but it's still, look at the body. Like the candles, they tell you stories. This one, the body's too skinny. Like, that's just too, no. And then this one, nope, nope, nope. This one, would I have entered after the body closed? Sure would have. I sure would have. Based off of the stuff that I teach, I would have. Now, granted, entering a breakout, this is my definition of a breakout. The candle must close and be above the area of the resistance in order for it to be a successful breakout. Because if it's an active breakout, it can easily come back down, and then you get this number. So this one I would have entered. Now, to be on the safer side, I usually wait 2 or 3 candles just to see if it maintains support. And all this information I'm saying just like how I normally say it. I'm not saying it because I know what happened next, but I would have entered. Now, when I enter, I do not enter 100% of my entry. I do a third because I'll do a third in case it takes off. At least I'm in it. But in case it dumps, well, I only got stopped out 15, 20, even 30% of my third of my investment. So it's not really bad if you have a stop loss 30% and you only did a third and you get stopped out. So here, let's say I didn't play it safe. I entered on the second candle, which normally you wait 2 or 3 candles minimum. So like 12 hours to make sure that it's gaining that support. But let's just say I was really risky. There was a lot of hype on this one. FOMO kind of got to me. I entered on this one, a third. This one closed above it. I entered a third again. And then, I get stopped out. Where's my stop loss? I got stopped out 10%. Even knowing. And traders, like the mentors that are trying to sell you their programs and everything else, they don't tell you that. They say, oh yeah, look, I would have bought the breakout. Here's the breakout. Yeah. After, did we get stopped out twice? Oh, we did. We got stopped out twice. Oh, that dirty sand. And we got stopped out twice. And it happens. Sometimes you'll get stopped out. Sometimes what you might want to do is have your stop loss lower. Now, anytime I do any of these targets and stop loss, I actually had this question yesterday by 2 people, really. Actually, as far as like my entries and my targets and my stop loss, like, do they have to follow it? No, these are just suggestions. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes. Same thing with the trading group. Like, these are just suggestions. Like, this is how I would trade it. Now, granted, I'm not going to give you like ridiculous trades. This is how I would trade it. And you can either have your, like, say 26% is too much for you, or you've been waiting too long. Well, if the price comes up here at 15 or so, you want to take profit? Take profit. You know, if you don't want a stop loss right here, you want it tighter, do it tighter. You want it to where it's, 30% and I'm doing 10%, do yours 30%. Like, the main thing is to know when to enter. And do we get stopped out sometimes? Sure do. We sure do. Matter of fact, we got stopped out twice here. And then now it's coming up. Now it's coming back down. So if you did not enter the trade and you're thinking about it, well, now would I enter? Nope. Why? It might lose the support. Like, it was doing really good. Right now, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's coming down. What does that mean? Open shorts. Dang it, I forgot to open shorts this morning. Crap. When I posted it this morning, man, I forgot to open shorts. Anyway, back to this. If anything, I'd open shorts. Just because we have a higher likelihood that shorts will play out. Now, could I open one right now? Yeah, sure, I could. But I'm really tired, so I probably won't. But for me, I would do short. Like, right now is a good time. Like, even though it already moved, it can continue coming down. And the reason it can continue coming down is because we are programmed when Bitcoin comes down, all the other coins come down. However, this could go just to do liquidation like it's been doing before and go right back up. So because of that, I'm holding off on just everything. I did close out with we did, and we did well. All right, back to this. Went into the trade? No. I would wait. I would probably have to wait 12 hours. For this one, I'd have to wait 12 hours at least. Because what I want to see is I want to see if it gains support here. And then if it does, then I can enter once it crosses the previous level, which we can say this one. So once it crosses this level, now what we'll do is we just wait. And then once it crosses, our alert goes off. And then we watch to see if, in fact, it stays. You know, if it closes underneath this one, after we get alerted, no, don't do it. Because it's going to more than likely come down. And then we just wait. And then more than likely we'll enter here. And then hopefully we can get some profit, 10%, 8%, before maybe it comes down. This time finds support, and then tries again, and now it breaks through. That's how I do that one. That's how I do that. All right. So that one, yeah, this one we're just waiting. So you can either get it here, excuse me, if it comes down. One second. All right. Sorry about that. All right. So you can get it as it comes down, or if it doesn't come down, let's just say it surprises everybody, and it comes up. Well, now we do the same thing. Third, third, third. Okay, so the next one is going to be much faster. The next one is a Myro. Let's do some Myro. When did we do Myro? I don't think we did Myro that long ago. Or was it really long ago? Myro? So let me know if y'all see it. Myro. I know we were looking at it. Maybe we were looking at it in group. Oh, Marin. There it is. Myro. Ooh, we got stopped out. We got stopped out. Or we were just... Oh, no, we haven't... Oh, we're still waiting for it. We're still waiting for it. This one, we were talking about the order books. Is there a way I can select all this? Oh, I remember Ian told me about that. So what you do is you hold down Control, you click and you drag. Man, I tell you, Ian's a beast. I tell you guys. I tell you. All right, let's see here. So this one, we're still waiting. This setup is still valid. We just need to be patient. Just be patient. And that's why patience pays off. Patience was a very expensive lesson for me. And I think I paid double. Yeah, it was pretty crazy. Always Learning says, I tightened my stop losses on my largest midterm holds trades. Yes, good. They all hit. So just waiting to see where support is found to continue the market. There you go. There you go. You cannot lose with that strategy. You cannot lose with that strategy. As a matter of fact, that's what we did on WIF. So this one still is the same. There's the target. There's our stop loss. There's our area that we needed to break above. And of course, just above that is our stop loss. But let's look at WIF. Let's look at what we did. Oh, wait, no. Oh, yeah, I can show it. Well, y'all know I move with stop losses. So we got, I think I got like 20% off of that one. It hit it going up like 33%. But it started coming down, and as soon as I saw it coming down, because I'm watching these charts, guys, I'm watching these charts. As soon as it started coming down, and I saw Bitcoin, I notified the group, the VIP group, of course, because that's priority. And then I got super busy with charts and trying to update all the other charts that, unfortunately, I didn't get to the free group. But if it wasn't as busy, I would have definitely done the free group. But just to let you know, VIP, of course, they're paying for a service, and well, I need to help them out. I saw it, and I saw Bitcoin. I said, oh, I said, man, move up. And I even put a note on there too, like move up your stop losses. If you have stop losses, move them up. And then that's the first thing I did on that one too. And sure enough, it came down within 15 minutes. It came down and it hit it. So, and I'm glad too. And then it started going up again. It's like, oh man, but it could have gone down. That's when you do the woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Yes, I say woulda twice. The woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda syndrome. Oh, man. I would have made 89% instead of 22%. Man, I should have just left my stop loss where it was. Man, and you just start doubting yourself. However, what would have happened if we had our stop loss here, We had our stop loss here because we moved it up and the price is doing this and we moved it up. And then what would have happened if it did this? Yeah, you would have been really, really happy because you got stopped out at plus 20 versus minus 45, or having to wait for it to come back up to your break even because you had all that profit, but it's not profit until you sell. So that's what's very important. Like whenever we move up our stop losses and we get stopped out, it's like, oh, dang it. And then it moves up 30, 40%. It could have gone the other way. It could have gone the other way. So always think about that. Try your best to be in a positive state, because that negative state, man, it'll kick your butt. And then you're like, man, I'm not going to move my stop loss. I know what Bitcoin's doing. I know what my coin's doing. But last time I missed out. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. What happens? Murphy's Law. Murphy's Law rings the doorbell, knocks on the door, and you're like, don't come in. They said, don't worry, man. We got a key to the back door. They go to the back door. They're in. They're eating your cereal. They're eating your pizza. They're eating your salads. They're eating. I noticed I started doing all fat food. They're eating your honey buns. Dang it, fat food again. They're eating all your corn nuts. They're eating all your pretzels, your chocolate covered pretzels, everything. Yeah, everything. No, I'm playing. That's my dream aisle. Anyway, so back to what we're talking about. Murphy's Law will come to your door, to your back door. Sometimes they won't even let you know they're there. They sneak up on you, change the channel. Like, what? Yeah, they'll do that every single time. I was like, man, I should have done it. Like, I didn't want you, because now you're like, I should have, then I shouldn't have. But then if I don't, then it can go up. If you compound your gains, you're good. The greed is what gets us. The greed. There's been a time or two, where it's like, oh, I know it, but I'm gonna wait. No. And then sure enough, now I'm waiting like 2, 3, 4 weeks before just to break even. I was like, man, I went against what I know, what I tell people, and it happens to me too sometimes. Like, it's like, man, but it's more so in futures though. More so in futures. Futures is dangerous. And it's like, man, do I win? Yes, of course, but I also lose. I lose. And it's just because I see the number. Excuse me. I see the numbers like, man. But I do low leverage. 2, 3x leverage. There was another one you wanted. Solana. Oh, yeah, we're on Sol. We have Sol here. Solana. I don't think we have Sol here. Oh, we do. Okay. So here, same thing, same scenario. For this one, and not because I see our stop loss. Let me see what the percentage is. Good Lord. Well, let me see what the back of this was. Would I have entered? I'm going to say yes. Just due to the size of these candles, I'm going to say yes. This was a nice, healthy candle. It closed up here. Very high risk, or higher risk. I would have entered, stopped out right away. Boom. Next 5 minutes. 5 minutes, boom, stopped out. Okay. I just lost 1/3 of 5%. Nothing. That's literally nothing. Good Lord. That's literally nothing. Then you just wait. You wait for it to break above this level again. Now, what we do, since we have that current high, now we wait for it to break this level. And once it breaks this level, of course, what I would do is I would have my actual alert above the wick. There's where my alert will be. So I'll just put it blue. So this is the level it needs to break. This is where alert is after the resistance of the wick. And then it comes up, it comes up, it comes up. We get the alerts. Okay, cool. Is it going to close above this area? Because now this is our most recent high. And it does barely. A lot of sell pressure. This could come back down. I wait. It could come back. Let me zoom in on this. I don't know if y'all can see all this. Where was I at? Right here. Breaks out. Sell pressure. It could come back down. So I'm gonna wait. Because we just got stopped out. Granted, it was nothing, but still, we got stopped out. So then this kind of goes. Perfect. Beautiful. I love it. I'm in. A third. It's coming here. Okay, cool. Now what I can do is if it does come down, I'll enter once it starts coming up, or now I have this level. Once I mentioned, this is one thing that I teach all the time throughout the entire chart, nothing but support resistance. That's it. It's resistance until it isn't. It's support until it isn't. Yeah. And you see everybody else, all these indicators, all these, everything, support resistance. So what do? We entered, and then it got rejected. Uh-oh, rejected again. Look how well this looks, guys. Like I couldn't have picked a better spot. And not even try. Come up here, barely shy. Comes down here. What does it do? It starts to bounce up. Do I add right now? No. I'll wait. Comes over here. I probably wouldn't enter. Even though it's a bounce, I wouldn't have entered because it's right under this resistance. It could come back down and just do a rounded bottom or a rounded top. So once again, the way I teach, the way I mentor, I show you what I would have done at the moment of the trade. A lot of influencers don't do this. A lot of influencers don't do this. What they do is they show you what they would have done after the fact. I show you what I would have done at that moment. And based off of all the stuff that I teach, if you notice, nothing changes. Whether if it goes up or if it goes down. I will tell you my wins. I will tell you my losses. Everything I have, I give it to you for free. I don't do $99 an hour mentorship. You can get all this stuff for free. If you want to learn this much quicker, get bigger bags, everything else, send me a DM. It's on the other chart. But send me a DM. Where's that? Good Lord. I hate when I do that. Do I have it on this? Oh, yeah. Right there. This is on Telegram. This is on Telegram. Send me a DM if you want to just learn this stuff faster. You know, and the lifetime membership is expiring today. After that, the price is going up significantly, but it's still way underpriced. And of course, there'll be several more opportunities for you to get the lifetime membership. But right now, the price is going away. The price that it's at right now, it's ridiculously low. And congratulations to everybody who got the lifetime membership. That was a humongous deal that y'all got, and it's lifetime. Y'all gonna be here for at least 2 years, at least. You know, when y'all become rich and famous, I want to be doing collabs with you because I know by then you will also be, hopefully, potentially doing YouTube as well. And to me, it'd be an honor, you know. I mean, I already see the huge improvement in the VIP already with the charts. And y'all saw it today too, guys. Like, huge improvement. But it all depends on the amount of work you want to put in. It really does. And this particular trader, a gentleman, he's a warrior. Full-fledged warrior. They got a lot of warriors in there. All right. And if you're not a warrior, you want to become one, VIP. That's where it's at. Here, came down, beautifully retested. I couldn't have picked this line better, guys. I didn't even see this. Sure enough, retested. Boom, I'm in. I'm in like crazy. And let's just say I only had one entry here. I didn't get this entry. I'm in 2/3 of my position. So now 3/3 of my position is in, and I'm in the trade. But Joe, it's coming down. So let it come down. If it does, great. Let's see here. Our stop loss, since we would have entered down here, now for my stop loss, what I would do though is I would move my stop loss right here. And this is so that hopefully it'll find support off of this level that it's found support before and resistance. If not, hopefully right around the 50 SMA, they'll catch up. But if it does, I mean, we could get stopped out, and we would be we in positive, like 2%, not much. Let's see here. We do have always learning says, hoping for a large pullback. Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, I want a 30-40% pullback. I'm waiting. See here, get behind us, right? Yes, man, you're spot on, spot on. Okay, so let me go ahead and just make this bigger. So what I need to do is give me a few moments. So that's 800. That's width. So height. Let's do height. No, I don't think this will change it. Let's see. Nope, that just did that. So let me try that again. So let's do 600. That's what it was. It was 600. That's right. 600. And then now I got to do this. And then now I got to do this. Okay. You are literally the reason I am not okay with my stop loss getting hit, because I get them into profits. I love it, man. I love it. I used to stress so much, and wow, man, that's a testimonial if I ever heard one. I used to stress so much and never had the opportunity to re-enter because everything was already in. Yeah. And then I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you how to compound your gains. I'm gonna show you how to move up your stop losses in a strategic way, and where to strategically place them. Like, all this is like thousands of hours of actual trading. All of this is actual trading, and I'm showing you what works and what doesn't work. Does it work all the time? No. Will I ever tell you that? No. Do we get really nice gains sometimes? Yeah. Do I constantly harp about it so that like I can trick people into getting to the VIP? No. I told you, yeah, we get gains. You would be like horrible trader if your setups had no gains, and if that's the case, well, then get with somebody who does know how to trade or knows how to do the setups and learn from them. I mean, it's literally that simple. And I'm really, really proud of everybody who is putting in the work, coming to these live streams every single day, watching this, and it's repetition. That's how you learn. Repetition and stories. I don't know if you know this, guys. I tell a lot of stories, and these stories are for a reason. Because like even if the story itself is not about the trade, you'll remember how dumb that story was. And you're like, man, I remember the last time when you were talking about how you moved up that stop loss. Right after that, you said this really dumb story about, honey buns and, going in the back door with the key, like the Murphy's Law. Like, I remember that. Oh, cool. All this is for a reason. All my stories, all my storytelling, it's all for a reason. So, give you a heads up. All right. Moving on. Yeah, I was learning. That's a great testimony right there. Oh, I got to do this again. Oh, got to come over here. Let's see. PJack says, what up, Joe? Could you take another look at Big Time? Yeah, definitely. I like doing these. I like doing the ones that we've already done, because it's just a follow-up. Big Time, I think we recently did a few days ago. Big Time, or maybe a week or two. Here we go. On the 5th, we did this one. Ooh, no, definitely not. Not touching this. Mm-mm. This is like an ex-girlfriend that you don't want to go back to. You left her for a reason. Don't do it. Same thing, man. I would wait till it breaks this level. We still have an alert. For you, I would recommend putting an alert right around 66534. This number is not going to be exactly on it, but it is. That would be your alert that you would set. And then just wait. Just wait. Now, what it could do, this could be a beautiful cup and handle. I mean, the lid's gonna kind of crooked, but it's okay. The main thing is resistance, and we've already shown that with this resistance level, and that's why I trade levels. I trade zones. I trade this way, because this is like, oh, it's gonna go to the moon, give me 75 million%, but then it finds resistance here and it comes back down. It's like, ah, crap, and then, oh, it's doing another pattern. So what could happen, price action could do this and start forming a handle or a higher high, however you want to look at it. The main thing is that it crosses this level. I don't care if you call this a cup and handle. I don't care if you call this a bow. I don't care if you call this a rounded bottom. All I know is that these patterns, I call them money. Why? Because it's breaking this resistance. It was under here all this time, and now finally it broke above it. I don't care what you call it, I call it money. That's what I do. All right, moving on. See here. Always Learning says, I'm going to be with you much longer than 2 years, brother. I hope so, man. I taught so many people back in the last bull run, and I warned them too. I said, man, I'm going to teach you to make so much money, this and that, blah, blah. Oh, we'll never leave you, Joe. They made money, bukus of money, crazy money. They tell me about it too. Like, man, Joe, that trade that you gave me set up on, I went, kind of hard, 50 grand, 100 grand profit. I was like, hey, man, good for you. That's good. Congrats. I said, but don't leave me, man. No, Joe, where are they? They're gone. They made their money. They made their money. They don't need this trading anymore. But me, I want to do this forever and ever. Ever and ever. I love helping. I would rather help other people than, I wouldn't say so much like not help myself, but I've always been like that though. I've always been, like a giver, and just like if I had a sandwich, I wouldn't give you all of it. I need to eat too. I need to try to make that other sandwich, right? But I'll give you half. No problem. Half. Let's see here. P-Jack says, yeah, I had it drawn as a rounded bottom. Was thinking of taking a risky trade. Now at the 200 SMA, Bitcoin maybe pulling back. Yep. So gonna wait. Smart. Because if you did enter right now, you would be front running it, which means you would get more percentage, which is good. How much more? Let's say if we front run it right now to about here, 15%. That's pretty good. Actually, that's pretty good. Now, the question is, are you willing to risk gaining an extra 15% to possibly hold it to maybe 23? Because it could continue coming down, find the support, and then come up. Now, so here's another thought process. Oh, we're already on that time. Here's another thought process. Let's say you're very bullish on this coin. You're very bullish. Well, you could enter now, but not have a stop loss, with the anticipation that if it does come down, you have more money to put in it. Matter of fact, I got into a few trades like that, and I hope they come down, but if they don't, I'm already in the trade. So there's several different ways of thinking about entering a trade. Do you want this to be a real quick, maybe 3 to 5 day trade? Or do you want this to be a trade that's going to give you significant amount of percentage? If that's the case, well then that's more of an investment type trading. And I'm going to be showing you all this stuff, not only in the VIP, but also here on YouTube. So, and also right now I'm actually live on Twitter as well. So yeah, definitely check that out. And let's see here. Just want to make sure that everything's going good over here. Let's see. May need to change the name. Will's going to check. Yeah. And yeah, it's coming down. Just coming down. Let's go ahead and do this. All right. So I mean, you could enter now, but I would have a lower bid too. If I did enter, let's just say I entered $50. $50 right now. I would more than likely put 50 to maybe even 75. If I could do 75 or 100, I would do that lower. So that if the price does come down, and hits this, well, now instead of being negative 25%, now because of the entry and the amount that I have entered, now I'm down 6%. As it comes up, now I'm in profit. Now I'm in big profits. Now I'm in huge profits. Now I'm waiting for this to see if it breaks. That's another way of trading. Now, I would only recommend doing that in the beginning stages of the bull market. I would not recommend that trading style. And I have a lot of different trading styles, a lot of different ones. So y'all guys are in the right place. But it just all depends on the situation. Depends on what I might do at that time. But towards the end of the bull market, will I do that? No way, Jose, because it can continue coming down. And then it'll hit my entry, and continue coming down. And now I'm down 75% of this, let's say $50, and this $125. I'm down a lot. So no thank you. No thank you. All right, so that is going to be it for me, guys. We did our hour. I did not fall asleep on you guys. Speaking about sleep, I'll probably do that later. But yeah, definitely, I believe it was Tom. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. And then, of course, if anybody wants to take advantage of the lifetime membership, you have less than 24 hours. Here's my Telegram. This is Telegram. So reach out to me, and we'll get you hooked up. And also, if you just want the VIP, you know, we'll talk about that too. But if you want the lifetime VIP, man, get out of here. It's crazy. But tomorrow, price goes up. And we do thank you guys so much. And I'm not sure if you noticed this, guys, but I got this. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, slowly but surely, I'm getting everything back together. Slowly but surely. All right, guys, I just want to thank you so much. You guys are the best. I absolutely love you guys. And I love the fact that, you know, if I have issue or a problem, like, y'all are there for me. Y'all are there for me. Y'all are there for me. Like, if I don't know something on TradingView, you're there. You know, like I said, you know, the OG helped out tremendously. Oh, wow. The OG helped. So yeah, I do apologize, Alex on, I believe Twitter. Yes, Alex on Twitter. I do apologize. No. Are you on Twitter, Alex? Or are you in here? Let me see. I think Alex is on Twitter. Yeah, I do apologize. We just finished up. Normally, what we do is we have the VIP area that we open for live stream, but due to me trying to get this website going, there will be no VIP today, but I'm still going to be in the chat though. Still be in the chat, still be available. So if y'all need me. Oh, forgot to mention, that's one thing also. As far as the VIP, it's almost like a 24/7 mentorship. You have questions, you have charts, you want to know certain things about strategies, I'm there. It's unheard of. The price, I'm going to see if I can talk to the guys and see if we can like 10x the price. Because it's but that's what I do though. That's what I used to do with the other group I was in. I'd be helping out the beginners, man, and some of you can testify to this. 12, 14, 16 hours a day. I love it. You know, that's all I got, guys. I got to go. Oh, and I just noticed that this one is chopped off. There we go. All right. So yes, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate you greatly. You guys are the best. Always learning. Appreciate you. P-Jack. Appreciate you, man. Get some sleep. Catch up later. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We will see you on, we'll see you in the VIP. That's where we'll see you. All right, guys. Take care.